guys, so today I finally have the rest of series 3, Georgia and Daria. I have the other two, they will be linked down below and a little card here or here somewhere. So let's just get started. I've had Georgia for a while, but I've been doing series 3. Like, I've been combining 2 dolls in one video because it's just easier and faster. But for some reason Daria, I kept ordering it on Walmart and it kept saying delayed, and then it got canceled. That happened 2 times. So then I finally just ordered it from Target because there was a little sale thing, and then I got some more of the cheerleaders. I have all of the cheerleaders now also. So here she is. Wow. She is so pretty. Her skin is really matte. I mean, on her face. The body's pretty shiny. Oh, I like those shoes and the socks. These other pink heels are not really anything special. But I just honestly love both of these outfits. These are both really cute outfits, and it's so cool that this one comes with a purse. So I will open this up and be right back. So here we have Miss Daria. Beautiful. I love her. She's a little bald in the back. So I'm gonna kind of finger comb out her hair a little bit. I love her hair. I love the white in it. It's so cute. So soft. Her hair feels like Emmy's hair, where it's so soft it almost feels like it's wet. It doesn't really matter that much to me, I guess, if it's bald in the back. I don't really look at the back very often, so it's not a huge deal for me personally. Now there is gel in these front little curls, and I really like the half up ponytail, but it's just the way that they pulled this hair through the hair in front of it. It just looks really odd, kind of I don't know. It will need to be fixed by me. And then I will recurl these curls because they're not the same. Because this one kind of fell a little bit. So I'm going to wash her hair, restyle the 2 little front wispies there, because it just looks weird. But I love her eyes, love her lips, love the makeup. She's so cute. This is my first dark skin doll, and she's so pretty. They need to make more dark skin dolls. Well, I have Sunny, but Daria is definitely darker than Sunny. Sunny's kind of light skin mocha. Daria's pretty dark. I love her. Okay, so let's move on to the outfit. Now these shoes are literally everything. We have some black combat boots with the clear gold sole. We have some roses on her boots. Obviously, kind of her little theme is roses. Love that. Let's see what the socks look like. I'm gonna assume that they are roses.
Sometimes your shoes are so flipping hard to get off.
Okay. So, yep, I was right. They are roses on the sock. The jacket has cutouts for the shoulders, which is kind of cute. I think I would have preferred it without the holes, but it's still a really cute jacket. So the one side has black, roses, and then there's more roses on the back. Camera's kind of picking up the jacket as being white, but it's actually a really light pinky beige. And then on the front, we have those cute buttons. And then kind of the frayed hem on the bottom of the jacket as well. And let's see what we got on underneath there. Alright, so we have this dress. which on its own, it's like, not my favorite thing in the world. It does have like this lace detailing on the top, but mine's kind of like folded down, so you can barely see it. See, is that just a regular white shirt under there? Probably a crop top. Just a plain white crop top. And then our second outfit, we have the bag. This is such a cute little bag. Has a little Velcro opening. And of course the roses. This handle is hard plastic. Cute. And these shoes, I actually didn't notice the heel on these shoes, but from front on they look really boring, but once you look at the heel, it's so cool. Has a golden rose on the heel on both sides. I think that's really neat. And then the outfit, the matching outfit. Here's the skirt. Cute, cute. And then we have the matching top. Oh, that is adorable. So cute. I love these little ties up here. And the little neckline. It's kind of like a collar. And then the buttons. Neck articulation. Let's see. Perfect. Perfect. Hers has really good head movement. Mine does, at least. Yeah, I have no complaints about her. Probably my least favorite thing about her is the white crop top and this dress. I mean, this dress is, like, I love the pattern and the color of it, but it's just, I don't know. I don't know what it is. It kind of looks like a nightgown to me, in a way. So that's probably what my little issue is with it. So, yeah, let's move on to Georgia. Alright, so next we have Georgia Bloom, and she is gorgeous than ever. Like, sheesh. Wowee. I just love these outfits. I wonder why only these two came with purses. That's really weird. She has a lot of clothes, actually. Like, for reals. She comes with probably the most, like, separate items, which I think is adorable. Perfect makeup. I love the color of her hair. It's so beautiful. Let's open her up. I just love everything about her. She is so freaking cute. Okay, so here's Georgia. Again, we are bald in the back. That is okay. Just letting you know, though. I'm gonna comb through her hair a little bit with my fingers. There is zero gel, which we all love. She has really cute little curls. Sheesh. She's got all these clips in her hair. I don't like the multiple clips in the hair personally, so I'm going to take those off. Sometimes it's hard to appreciate the beauty of the doll if there's just too much different things going on with it, you know what I mean? And then up close of her face. Isn't she just gorgeous? Love her. Okay, moving on to the outfit. We do have this really cute knit sweater. And then underneath we have a little crop top with a peach on it. And then of course these really cute button details. And these pants. These pants are adorable. I love the cuffing at the bottom. And I also love the butt pockets. Like, what? I love her. And then we have her socks, which I don't think they're a specific pattern. I think it's just random white squigglies on a pink sock. And then these amazing platform sneakers. These are like everything to me. They're just, oh my god, so cute. The clear pink sole with the white platform. Oh my god. And the back says rainbow, rainbow, rainbow high. Just love those. And then we have our second outfit. This is one of those dolls where it's really hard to choose between the outfits. I don't know which one I like better, to be honest. They're both adorable. So, we have this skirt, which is so cute, you guys. I love that little mesh with the pearls there. And we have the two flowers. The skirt isn't too short. Love it. And then we have the little bag with the hard plastic handles. OMG, OMG. They all need to start coming with bags, honestly. I demand bags. Like, come on now. And then we have, it honestly looks like two different tops, but one's kind of hiding. So we have that top one, which matches the skirt. Love those little rainbow high buckles on the straps. So that matches that. And then we also have this little pink kind of bralette with the pearls on it. Kind of like a peachy pink. Like, all these things are just so cute. It's like to the point where I'm kind of considering just getting a second one so I can display both outfits because they're both just that cute. I mean, they really are. These adorable sneakers. They're like a clear light pink, kind of Converse heel style. Love, 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 love those. And they match that pattern on the skirt and the other top. Like, how am I supposed to choose between all these outfits? Legit. How? I'm really thinking that I have two extra poppies. I have kind of plans for one of them, but the other one I think I might put this outfit on. They outdid themselves with Georgia, I think. I really do love Georgia. Like, oh my god. Can you be my best friend, please? Because, holy crap. Neck articulation. Everything works great. I love her lip color, you guys. Absolutely love her lip color. She's just too gorgeous. I'm not able to pick a favorite Rainbow High doll, but this is definitely like top 3 of all of the dolls that I have. And the clothes just absolutely shine on this doll. I think if you're gonna get any doll and you're looking for, you know, one of your first dolls to get, or your first series 3, or a good gift for your son or daughter, I think this one especially has the best value just because of all the different pieces it comes with. And they all...
Not again. Get off! God, get! God, get out! Hey, stupid cat. Get, Bo.
yeah, I really do think this one is the best value for the money. Just because literally every piece of both outfits go together so well. Like, sheesh. She is just everything. She's everything. That is my review of Elle Dolls. So that is the end of this video. Hopefully at some point I can get some of the rock stars and slumber party dolls. I don't know when that will be, but I do know I'm probably not going to be paying $50 for them. So it might be a while, unless I get some extra Christmas or birthday money. I won't be paying that much for the dolls. Hopefully something like Black Friday deals or something can mark them down a little bit. That would be really awesome. But yeah, other than that, these are the girls. Just look at her outfit. Like, this whole series is really a really great series. This has to be their best series that they've done.
This cat, I swear to God, I'm going to murder this cat. Cats are my favorite animal. I love cats, but this cat I hate. God, why must you rub your hairy tail across the lip gloss on my lips?
So yeah, be sure to check out my Instagram for more pictures. Now that I have all of them, I'm really excited to do more pictures and that kind of thing. I will see you guys next time. Bye!